Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we will see what is path contain function in DAX, and we will see how to use this inside Power BI report. And to understand this path contain function, we have a business question with respect to our electronic store dataset, and we have an reporting hierarchy for each employee, and we want to check if Anjali is present in each path. So we will see how this path contain function, which helps to find a particular value inside a path. So let's see how it works inside Power BI desktop. So now we are inside a Power BI desktop, and I have this employee hierarchy table. And in this table, we have this path column, which gives us the reporting hierarchy for each employee. So let me create a new column here to see how this path contains works. So let me give a title for this column like path contains, and I'll use my path contains function here. And if you see the syntax for this function, it requires a hierarchy path, and then we can search any item or value in that path. So I will use my path column which I have created here. So in this path, I want to check my employee Anjali is present in each path or not. So my employee ID for Anjali Singh is 4. So I will give 4 here. So and then I will close this measure. So let us see how this path contain function works now. So now if you see this path contains column, it returns true only when you have your employee ID 4 is present in the path. So here in this path, we have this employee ID 4, and in this path you can see our employee ID 4 is present. So this path contains column which returns true. So other than this, if 4 is not present in the path, this function which returns false in those column. So this is how we can use this path contain function to search a particular value in this hierarchical path. So I hope you understood how this path contain function works inside a Power BI report. And thanks for watching this video.